Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amalia and I've just finished my first week at my new job and it's my first time working full-time. It's been tough. I've never appreciated a weekend like I have this one, and it's now Sunday. It's sort of, what time is it? It's the evening. It's like, oh, it's not even the evening, it's like midday. It's like not even 1 o'clock yet. I haven't even had lunch. I thought we could spend the rest of the day together. I've got a few fun things lined up for this evening and I wanted to bring you along with me and hopefully we can have some fun together. So I've changed out from my white hoodie into one that's going in the wash anyway because I feel like I'm going to get messy. I might not, but tie my hair back, you know, just keep it out of the way. And I've got all my ingredients here. I've got my mixing bowl and my wooden spoon, my scales, I've got flour, sugar, chocolate, vanilla extract, salt and butter, and I'm going to be making cookies. Okay, so I've washed up and everything and I'm now waiting for the cookies to be ready. Shouldn't be long, but I'll keep you updated. So I'm on my way to the art centre. I don't know if you can see me. There we go. I absolutely love coming here. Sometimes there's like an exhibition at this part, but I think it's just like painted for Christmas. Yes. So I've come out of the art centre and I'm now on my way to Aldi before going back to my flat. I really enjoyed the art centre today. I always like going in there every like few weeks and stuff, see if they've got anything new, and I've just realised Aldi is closed. Okay, so change of plan. I can't go to Aldi actually because it's closed, it's a Sunday. They close at 4 on a Sunday, so that's gone out the window. But yeah, so I'm just gonna head back to the flat now, I think. These woodies. I forgot to say earlier, the cookies are so good. So good. I'm going to end this video here. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I will hopefully see you in my next video next week. Remember, we're doing embroidery. I'm really looking forward to it.